Hello and welcome to Weather with Alex Weather Forecast. It is April 11th, 2019, and it is 80 degrees and clear outside. Now, let's start with a major weather story of today. Winter Storm Wesley. There's currently more than 700 miles of blizzard warnings in the Midwest. Let's start with that. Most of Nebraska, most of South Dakota, southwest Minnesota, southeast North Dakota, are currently all under a blizzard warning. Now, the areas around this currently have a most of the areas around this blizzard warning have a winter storm warning. This means it is not as bad as a blizzard warning, but it is still going to be affected with snow and stuff. The place where most of the snow is going to fall is central Minnesota, with 8 to 12 inches of snow through Friday in central Minnesota. Now there's thousands of people without power, and major interstates are being shut down in this area. And these wind gusts are more than just shutting down interstates and getting rid of power in the Midwest where the blizzard is. It's probably getting rid of it in the winter storm warning area. There's even wind advisories because of the rain that's heading down and causing river flooding around the Mississippi River. Major river flooding status along the Mississippi River down where the rain is, goes all the way down to St. Louis where there's thunderstorms going on. Well, yeah, it is major flooding, thousands of people without power. There's going to be lots of interstates down. If you haven't really evacuated from that area, you probably can't get out without having to take minor roads going through. Or those roads might just be blocked. There might be almost a foot of snow right there. Because, a foot of snow, almost a foot of snow is going to be expected through Friday in central Minnesota. If you haven't really evacuated, there really isn't any way for you to get out. Now let's go to our next segment. It is down temperatures in the South. Temperatures in the South will plummet after Wesley, with temps going below average. In Lardo, Texas, temperatures dropped from 105 degrees Fahrenheit, that is 40.5 degrees Celsius, to 90 degrees Fahrenheit, which is 32.2 degrees Celsius. In Dodge City, Kansas, temperatures dropped from 89 degrees Fahrenheit, which is 31.6 degrees Celsius, to 45 degrees Fahrenheit, which is 7.2 degrees Celsius. Now we have our final segment of today. That is Hawaii snow. Yes, the winter weather is not just in the continental U.S., it's also in that Hawaii area. Now, winter weather advisories for high terrain areas in Hawaii, which is mainly the mountains on the big island and on the biggest island in the Hawaii island chain, which it expects about 1 to 3 inches of snow in these areas, maybe a half foot isolated in some areas. Now, this is all I have for today, and I hope you enjoy and I'll see you next time tomorrow.